This clean 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Convertible is a mild Restomod built to drive. It came to the V8 Speed Resto Shop wearing a very nice restoration, but it's not 100% stock underneath. This Goldsmobile is wearing a 442 themed black stripe over shimmering gold paint, and it breathes through an original fiberglass Oldsmobile W25 outside air induction hood complete with chrome locks. Body colored D35 Sport mirrors and super stock one wheels add to the speedy styling. The owner wanted better drivability and throttle response, so he tasked the V8 crew with installing a Holley Sniper EFI system on top of the built 455 Olds V8. The Sniper EFI system has a Quadrajet throttle pattern, so it bolted to the stock intake manifold with no mods required. Original Olds W30 455s made 370 horsepower and 500 pounds of torque, but this one is overboard 40,000ths to 468 cubes and has a performance cam and a few other performance goodies in a stock appearing envelope. The gold is balanced with a matching bucket seat and console interior under a black convertible top. Other cool interior details include a tilt column topped with a rally steering wheel, a tick-tock tack, and the Hurst dual-gate automatic shifter controlling the Turbo 400 transmission. Air conditioning keeps the driver cool when it's too hot to drop the top. These cars are great drivers, and this one rides on a performance suspension including front and rear sway bars, shocks, and a limited slip rear axle. The parts are akin to the FE2 suspension package found on other Oldsmobile W machines, and it is comfortable and compliant on the road. Power steering and power-assisted front disc brakes make it easy to drive. Sounds are courtesy of an original in-dash AM/FM radio and 468 cubes of Olds Thunder blasting out of the dual trumpet-tipped exhaust out back. If your classic or muscle car is ready for a restoration, bodywork and paint, interior upgrades, suspension work, tuning, or performance upgrades, contact the V8 Speed Resto Shop today at v8speedshop.com and take your ride to the next level.